Welcome to my channel EMTECH. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install IObit Software Updater PRO 8 in a quick, simple, and effective way. IObit Software Updater is a very useful and powerful tool that helps you keep all your programs up to date automatically. Instead of manually checking each application one by one for updates, this software does everything for you with just a single click. This not only saves you time, but also makes your overall experience much easier and more efficient. Keeping your software updated is very important. Outdated programs can cause security risks, system errors, and slower performance. With IObit Software Updater PRO 8, you can avoid these problems and make sure your system is always running smoothly and securely. This program supports a wide range of applications, including browsers, media players, security tools, and many other essential programs that you use every day. It also allows you to install popular software directly from its interface, which makes it even more convenient. Another great feature is the automatic update function. This allows the software to update your applications in the background without interrupting your work. You can simply set it once, and it will handle everything for you. The interface is clean, modern, and very easy to use, which makes it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Even if you don't have much technical experience, you will find it very simple to navigate and use all its features. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the installation process and show you how to properly set up and use the main features of the program. Make sure to follow each step carefully so everything works correctly on your system. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. Your support really helps the channel grow and motivates me to continue creating helpful and informative content for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.